In gardens everywhere, we start each season with hope, turning soil, planting seeds, and watching green shoots emerge. But soon the soil tires, nutrients vanish, and we're locked in a cycle of constant feeding and watering. Modern gardening treats soil as a container, not a living ecosystem, demanding endless inputs of compost, fertilizer, and water. Beds dry out quickly, compact easily, and need our constant attention. If we step away, plants wilt and soil degrades. This relentless struggle leaves us propping up a fragile artificial system. But what if there was another way? What if we could garden with nature, not against it? Let's look to the quiet wisdom of the forest for inspiration. In ancient forests, a fallen tree sparks new life. Moss, fungi, insects and microbes transform it into a nutrient-rich mound. This natural process inspired hugelkultur, a German method that builds garden beds with decaying wood at their core. Instead of fighting nature, hugelkultur mimics the forest floor, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. The wood acts as a slow-release nutrient battery and a sponge for water. Unlike flat-tilled gardens, these mounds grow more fertile and resilient each year. By building up, not out, we create a living system that holds on to resources and thrives with minimal intervention. Hugelkultur is more than a raised bed. It's a partnership with nature's cycles of decay and renewal. It's a garden that remembers how to be a forest. Building a hugelkultur bed is simple. Start with large logs and branches as the foundation. Add smaller branches and twigs, then pile on green materials like grass clippings and kitchen scraps for nitrogen. Top with compost or manure to jumpstart decomposition with beneficial microbes. Cap the mound with topsoil and a thick layer of mulch, straw, wood chips or leaves. This layered lasagna locks in moisture, suppresses weeds and creates a powerhouse of fertility. The woody core breaks down slowly, feeding the soil for years. The result? A garden bed ready for planting right away with a living, breathing structure beneath. With each season, the mound grows richer and more productive. It's a soil battery, charged by nature. The real magic happens underground. Mycorrhizal fungi form networks with plant roots, mining nutrients from the decaying wood. This living web delivers nutrients directly to plants, making the bed more fertile over time. No digging or tilling is needed. Disturbing the soil would only break these vital connections. Earthworms and microbes aerate and enrich the soil naturally. You can plant immediately if you've layered enough green material and compost on top. Start with leafy greens in year 1, then expand to fruiting crops as the mound matures. The soil grows darker, richer, and more alive each year. The gardener's job? Just add mulch and let nature do the rest. Hugelkultur mounds excel at managing water. Their woody core soaks up rain and releases it during dry spells. Once established, they need little or no extra watering, even in drought. This ancient method was nearly forgotten, but as we face water shortages and soil decline, it's making a comeback. Maintenance is minimal. Just add mulch each year. No digging, no fertilizers, no endless toil. Hugelkultur is more than a technique. It's a blueprint for self-sustaining, abundant gardens. It turns fallen wood into a resource, partners with soil life, and creates a legacy of resilience. By building these mounds, we grow more than food. We restore the wisdom of the forest in our own backyards. A garden that gets better every year. and a model for truly sustainable growing.